Hey guys, I want to show you what I'm doing with the himax. What I plan on doing is streamlining all these tubes. These are the struts, and the whole idea behind that is a round tube is very draggy. When the air flows over this tube, it's turbulent on the back side, and that creates a lot of drag. So what you do is you streamline it with these covers, and this is the idea I come up with online. This is flashing, roofing flashing, and this is just a cross section to give you an idea of what I'll be doing. And what I'll be doing is shooting foam in here, and that serves two purposes. One is to keep it rigid and protect it from hanger rash, and also to lock it in place. And on the back side, it'll just be epoxy. So instead of rivets holding the trailing edge down, it'll just be epoxy, and that'll create less drag versus the rivets. The only issue I see, well, not really an issue, but right here where the door latches, I got a magnet that holds the door open. So I think right here where the door interfaces the strut, the rear strut, I just leave it unfaired. Versus if I faired the whole thing, I'd run the risk of opening the door and then crushing the strut. Not the strut, the fairing on the strut. And then also these tail struts here, I'll fair them. And all these tubes down here on the landing gear. And I expect with all this is just a guess. With just the struts alone, I'm guessing a 10 mile an hour higher top speed, be a lower fuel burn, and I'm gonna guess 100 foot per minute faster climb rate. That's just a guess. From some numbers I've read on the internet, versus just a plain old round strut compared to a faired strut, it's so much less draggy faired that it's like it was almost no strut there at all. But anyway, enough yakking on. This is probably going to be a 3-part series. Not really sure. But be waiting on that to come out. Alright, peace out.